Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the.
Oh, yo, YouTube, it's your boy JR1, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, yes sir, today. I picked up these Yeezys today, man. I didn't get my personal size. I didn't get my personal size. I even went a man size. I didn't win a man size. But I do have a grade school size. Even though it's not a man size, I can't even get y'all own feet of the shoe. But at least y'all get to see the shoe in hand for myself as well. So, brought it to you guys so y'all can see, like I said beforehand, and get my first impression of the shoe. Like I said, they just came back out, these shoes basically kept coming out multiple times. And now it's making it more easier for everybody to get access to, you know what I'm saying, because Champs, Foot Lockers, they doing ship to me now. I forgot to mention that in my videos. My apologies, my bad, but they brought back the ship to me. So comment down below, man, let me know you want to ship to me. You know what I'm saying, you want a raffle, you want on Adidas Confirm or Yeezy Supply, let your boy know down below. I didn't call no one on my size, man, but it's all good. Like I said, at least I have a grade school size. I can still see it in hand. So, like I said, let your boy know down below. If you want a pair, let your boy know down below. Not further ado, man, let's get to the video. Got these Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Zebra joints, man. One of them on the Champs app. Luckily, I won the size, but like I said, I didn't win a man size or anything like that. But it's all good, man. But not further ado, let's go get that shoe out, man. There they go, one from Champs. Like I said beforehand, won a raffle. Put my receipt to the side. Gotta keep your receipts, man. They taxing. Keep them receipts, man. Gotta keep the receipts. Got a grade school size. So any Yeezy will be on this box, like the number will be slides or anything like that. I had a number 350, 500, 700. Like I'll say the boots or anything like that. They basically have the model of the shoe number right here, printed right in the front of the box. So 350, 350 right there. Grade school size, boom. Super small size, but it's great. Somebody wanted this 5'2", by the way, so happy they. That's another thing about doing this. I want to put it inside for somebody and I basically win the size for them. So win-win situation. You know, I didn't win my size, but I want somebody else their size. So it's a good day. It's a good day. So I really say I ain't tripping. There's Yeezy Boost 350 V2, size 5, white, sea black, red. And like I said, retail price was $230, by the way. So after taxes was $247. Just depends on where you're from, like I said beforehand. But let's go get these joints out. Hey, here they go, man. Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Zebra joints, man. You can wear this with a lot of stuff though, for sure. You can wear this shoe with a lot of stuff. In the summertime, definitely gonna be a dope shoe. Saying, describing the shoe, you got Supply 350 on the side, you know what I'm saying? Of course, you got your pull tab in the back, Adidas Boost, you know what I'm saying? Of course, everything basically is the same on the old 350. I think just the outsole, just a little bit different, just a little bit. But other than that, you know what I'm saying? You got your zebra print, and right here on the side as well, got your zebra print. So not bad at all, not bad at all. So we'll get the other joint out. Not bad at all. I'm kind of sorry, but I'm kind of didn't win my size, but it's all good. Most of these, I ain't gonna lie, a lot of these is going down in the prices, like these going right back down because they restocking so much and so many times. I think they're gonna restock on the bread ones too, by the way. I wouldn't be shocked they restock on those coming real soon. So I mean, people know he really been restocking a lot of these old Yeezy Supply 350 Supply joints on the side. So he coming out a lot of 350 colorways. Is he doing too many colorways, or is it like y'all cool with what he doing? Comment down below, man. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Just want to interact with you guys. So, but let's go talk about the shoe, man. On your outsole, you got your Adidas Boost outsole right here. For other shoe, you got your standardized rope white laces. On the side, you got your Supply 350 right here on the side. You got your pull tab on the back of the heel. Love that detail as well. You got your 3 Adidas lines on the back of the heel as well, around the sock liner. And on the inside, got your black Adidas logo inside of the shoe. On the side, you got your Supply 350 red on the side of the shoe. Can never forget that detail on the Yeezy. That's on the side that just make the shoe even pop even more. I know most Yeezys they don't have the supply 350 on the side, but just having that supply 350 on the side just made the shoe even way better. Plus they got that pull tab right in the back of the shoe. So like I said, super dope at, you know what I'm saying? So overall, definitely I get a shoe about a 9 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can really wear a lot of stuff with the shoe. A lot of stuff. Only downside is when you wear the shoe a lot, the outsole gonna turn yellow. That's the only downside. But other than that, this shoe you can wear, like I said, anything, any outfit, any style, whatever you want to do with it. It just don't let it get no stains on the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a white shoe. You got that like that cloth material. So if it gets something in there, it might stain easy, but it might not stain easy. Because the material on the upper of the shoe, if you spill something on here, if you ain't got like no crepe or no waterproof or nothing like that on the upper of the shoe, you better get that stain out ASAP. Because if it gets thick on here, it's gonna stick. It's gonna take a little long time to get that stain out of the shoe on the upper of the shoe. So, and then, like I said, got your white rope laces as well too. So if they get on that too as well, you in trouble. So make sure you spray some like protector or anything like that on the upper of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? And of course, like I said, on the outsole, they're gonna turn yellow. So I mean, they got like outsole, like you put stickers on your outsoles, like on Jordan 11s and stuff like that. So if you're looking for stuff like that, like I said, get protector and get like some type of the little thing for the outsole of the shoes, like it's like a little stickers or something like that. I forgot what they called, man. Don't mind me right now. But and also the size running Yeezy 350s or any Yeezys, always go a whole size up. That's my personal opinion, because like I said, I wear 11 and a half. And all my Yeezys, I wear 12. No matter what, slides, foam runners, 350, 700s, anything, I always get size 12 because they run super small. So I don't even tell people go a half size. Go a whole size up. Because normally people try to get a half size of their actual size. Like people will say if you wear like a 10, people are like, I'm going to get 10 and a half, I'm going to get a 10. They run super small, but when you get that 11, you're like, okay, that ain't bad. Unless you take out the insole out of the shoe. But other than that, always go a whole size up. So if you wear that 10, go ahead and get that 11. Trust me, I'm trying to tell y'all the truth, because you get that 10 and a half, your feet gonna be hurting. You're gonna be biting for real. Because after a while, like I said, when you put 350s on or any Yeezys on, it's starting to wide out more and mold onto your feet. And then all of a sudden they just slip on super easy and be 10 times comfortable. Because they be comfortable when you first put them on. It's just after a while you can break them in, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff. And you're like, ooh, these are even more comfortable. So that's my best advice for sure, man. But like I said, man, they came out today, the Yeezy 350 V2 zebra joints, man. Comment down below, man. Let me know. Y'all want a size, you hit on Adidas, Confirm app, or you hit on Champs, or Yeezy Supply. Let your boy down below, man. That's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Just salty. I ain't with my size, but I want this size for somebody else. And I get this. Let y'all see the shoe in hand so y'all can be like, okay, they ain't bad shoe at all, man. But it's all good, man. It's all good. But like I said, man, like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Follow me on my platforms down below. Really appreciate that as well. Let's get to that 5K, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Catch y'all another video, man. Jarron is out. Peace.